PRAJNA Nithya YouTube channel. Now I will show raincoats. Now this is rainy season, that's why we should wear raincoat. Sometimes we want to use raincoats. Now I will show you the raincoats. Now let's start. Now these are two raincoats. Now I will show. Let's start. First I will show the small one. For kids. Now this is small raincoat. See how it is. And this is 33 size. And this is the hat. And this is see so beautiful design. We have here buttons, and we have two. We should wear. Again, we should keep the zip or buttons. This cost is 459 rupees. We bought in DMart. See this how it is nice design frozen. Okay. Now this color is sky blue. See how it is very nice. After I will wear and show you. Now I will open this one. This is pink in color and star designs. Okay, and we only buttons. For this raincoat only we have buttons. Only buttons. You can see inside also. Okay, inside. We have pocket two here like this, and here also we have two pockets for this raincoat. And this size is L, and this price is 249 rupees. And it's very nice. This is cap. And we can set with this one. Now I will wear a small one and I